I'm going to do an unboxing with you today of my Saks haul. I'm partnering with them to tell you about the Saks Friends and Family Sale. So what I wanted to do is unbox these things with you today, and then I can go steam them and try them on for you. So this is just the first part of the video. I picked out all of these things and paid for it myself. Free People jumpsuit. I love the colors. So this, I believe, is a dress. You guys, this is one of those feelings like the old nightgowns and robes that match or something. Just that feeling of femininity. A little bit of Daisy Jones. A little bit of, are we talking like maybe Jane Birkin? Some 70s, but a little bit of Kate Moss. Okay, this has a really pretty back. Kind of like a strappy back. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love kind of like that iridescence to it. Here they are. It's not even a whole bow. It's just kind of like that, which gives it maybe a little bit of, I hate to say edginess, but uniqueness. It will go with anything. It will go with what I have on today, which I'll go ahead and tell you. I have on a chic blazer. I have on my Mother Tomcat denim jeans, my A Gold E tank, and my Rag and Bone sneakers. So I got some of the most top rated and best selling. This is the Hanes Redone tee. I've had this before in the black, but this is the white. Veronica Beard. Oh, I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh. You know how much I love like the muscle tee. This is the Frame Le High Rise V. Oh, I forgot. This is not your ordinary V-neck t-shirt. Hey guys, today I'm here to tell you about the Saks Friends and Family Sale going on from March 20th to March 27th. So I did a little shopping. I did a little unboxing that you probably already watched. I'll put it at the front of this video. And today I want to tell you about everything, show it to you again, and then I also want to feature some other things that I love that I think you guys should check out. A lot of these things I've had for a while, like sunglasses, Ray-Bans. So with every outfit, I tried to feature a pair of my favorite Ray-Bans. And I tried to kind of style it with things that are going to be on sale. This is the Redone tee. So this is for those of you like me that like a simple crew neck cotton t-shirt. This one is just as simple and basic as it gets, but there is something special about it. It's because it's kind of like your boyfriend or your husband's tee that he's been wearing, and it's all worn in and soft, and it still has that kind of like boyfriend type fit, but it's still cut for a woman. See, it's baggy but not too baggy. It's just skims your body perfectly. I love these. I've had them before. I've had the black one. So I got the white one, and today I just styled it with my chic pants that they carry at Saks. There's all different types of styles. Last year I got the lavender ones, but these black ones I think are just a go-to. I think with joggers being so popular, with cargos being so popular, this would be a really good time to grab a pair of these pants. And then I also wanted to remind you of the chic blazer. I wore this in the unboxing. It is just so good. And these come in so many different colors. And then they come in like fancy ones too, like with the glitter or the fringe or the rhinestones. So I wanted to just kind of put this outfit together with you today. Yes. So this blazer is going to be more of my fitted size. This is actually a 4. So you can see that it fits me perfectly. The great thing about these blazers is that they are like permanently scrunched up for you. So you don't have to do the hair bands or anything else like I do a lot of times. They're a perfect summer weight. It's kind of like that crepey material, and they look good with everything. So I wanted to just call your attention to this blazer because with every outfit that I'm going to show, including the fabulous dresses that I'm going to show you, I'm so excited that you can grab this blazer and it will be a perfect thing to go over. Matter of fact, when I got this blazer, it was probably a year ago, I had it in mind for different like style events that I was going to go to because this is something you can put with everything. Then the shoes I have on. Oh my goodness, you guys. I saw, let me take one off. I saw someone wearing these shoes last year when I went to the Like to Know It conference. And I think I have a picture that I'll put in here because like as soon as I saw them, I knew they were going to be mine. She said, these are so comfortable. These are the shoes I wear every time I dress up because I can walk in them. Matter of fact, we were at like a rooftop party that we had to walk to just right down from our hotel. And I just kept it in my mind. So I have actually ordered another pair of this brand, which is the Loeffler Randall. That should be in any day, and I'll show you those as soon as I get them, and I'll actually put a picture up here too. They are more of the crinkled ribbon look that I think are so pretty, and then I grabbed these. These have to be some of the most flattering, comfortable heels I have ever worn. I love them. I recommend these 100%, and I am true to size 8. They're just beautiful. These come in several colors. They come in flats. They come in a smaller heel. I have had a pair of these years ago. Matter of fact, I think the first style conference I ever went to, I was wearing a pair of Loeffler Randall, and they're very, very, very comfortable. They're known to be like a go-to shoe for a dressed up event, bridal, you know, parties and things like that are comfortable. And there's just something about the shape of this toe and everything that just is very, very flattering. So if I had to say my biggest winner from the whole haul, it would be these shoes. This is just magnificent. When I put this on and the next one and the next one, I thought, gosh, maybe I do have a little bit of boho in me. I think I'm more boho glam, more boho chic, boho glam, because I do love, obviously, you guys know I love like the silky, flowy fabrics. So I grabbed a few outfits to show you guys that I thought would be perfection for any type of outdoor event you might have. You might have a graduation, you might have a wedding, a reception, a birthday, vacation, a cruise, or just, if you're like me, just an everyday that you would like to have a really beautiful, beautiful jumpsuit. This one is Free People, and it's just, I don't know how to, it's like funky, but I love, love, love the color scheme. I love how this is kind of cut out, so it's very, very flattering. It's very soft, and the colors are just beautiful. I mean, that is like all the lavender, the peach, all of my favorite colors. Just gorgeous, you guys. And I think this would look good on so many people. I featured this with my Valentino rock stud wedges. It was the perfect length. Oh, you guys, it's just beautiful. The next outfit, when I got it, I thought, oh no, this might not look good on me. But when I put it on, for one thing, I think it made me smarter because it was not easy to put on. I think I worked my brain having to put a lot of these on. But this dress here is just magnificent, magnificent. It is absolutely beautiful. It's got that mid cutout that is very on trend right now. Of course, it's floral, which is very on trend. And the color scheme is just beautiful. Don't miss the brown in there because that really adds a lot to it. It takes it from being too dressy looking or just, I don't know, not practical looking, not like every day. But when you put that brown in there, it really does make this more, I don't know, just gives it a different vibe. It does make it a little bit more boho chic. And it's very roughly, And that's typically not something that I would go for, but because the fabrics are thin, they still hang nicely. It's not bulky. Oh gosh, it's just so breezy. You will feel so sexy and amazing in this dress. It's special. This is the dress that you're going to get like compliments everywhere you go. Don't miss out on these, especially during the sale. This is a medium, and I will put all of the links, all of the sizes, and everything you see in the video down below, including my makeup today. That dress, I wore my Castaner wedges. These are just a nice pair of wedges. It's kind of like, I hate to say the gold standard of wedges, but it's like this sets the standard for all the wedges. They are just not bulky, but they're so classic. That's what I should say. Just classic wedges. They come in several different heel heights. They come in several different styles and several different colors. Even if you like this look, but you don't want this size of a wedge, I believe they even come in more of a flat form wedge. They're amazing. I have a few pair of these. This next dress really surprised me. I didn't know if I was going to care for this. Thank goodness that the straps are adjustable. It crisscrosses in the back. This is another one that I had to think to get in it, but the color is just beautiful, and I hope you can catch that little bit of satiny shimmer. It has the cowl neck. It has a split in the front and a nice ruffly hem. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, just sexy. But I think because the color is this light, like peach and pink and cream, it keeps it, you know, very sweet looking, and it's just a gorgeous dress. This would be the ultimate wedding guest dress or bridal party. Anything that you want to look sweet and beautiful and still sexy. To me, this is very much a Sex and the City Carrie style dress. This is something I could see her wearing with a beautiful pair of shoes like the ones I have on now, the gold. So it's just the right combination of sexy, classy, sophisticated, and sweet. The first tee that I styled is this one from Frame, the high rise tee in small. And see how it's got the V-neck, it's got the really cool sleeves, and it's a little bit of a crop. Now, not cropped like your tummy is going to be showing, but the perfect crop that looks amazing with wide leg pants. Think of any of your jeans, your wide leg jeans, any of your high-rise trousers. Of course, you can tuck it in, but you're not going to have to, because this already gives you the perfect shape. If you are someone who loves a V-neck t-shirt, I think this might be a must-have. I love the sleeves. Remember, I was telling you it's good for us to have some structure up top. And then these are some of my favorite jeans. You know I love the Mother Tomcat. With these are the Rider high-rise skimp. These are a little higher rise. They have the zipper instead of the button fly, and they're full length, so they're not as cropped as the Tomcat. In both pair, I have the 27. These jeans come in many different washes. You don't have to get them with the rips. That's just what I like. Make sure you check the denim during the sale, because a lot of the styles that we love are going to be on sale. Speaking of, remember these? These are my low-rise rag and bone Dre. And they are just like the perfect boyfriend, girlfriend style jeans. Now this style, the Dre, comes in many, many different washes. I love a white jean. So with this one, I paired it with this t-shirt, which is the Veronica Beard in small. The beauty of this t-shirt is it's kind of cut like a muscle tee, but it's got that really cool fold that's stitched down. It's got the seam going down the back, and it's just kind of like a slub knit. It is just a really cool t-shirt. This would look really good with your trousers or a black pencil skirt tucked in, because it's going to give you that little bit of classy edge. Because these t-shirts are a little bit nicer cut, made out of nicer fabrics, you're going to be able to wear them with your dressier clothes. I remember when I used to work in an office, I would have my t-shirts dry cleaned because I would wear them with my pencil skirts and my dress pants. But I always, always love an all-white outfit. So these two, even with the jacket that I have on and the shoes that I have on, the gold bow, which serve as a neutral, just an amazing outfit. Possibilities are endless. So just like I like to start off with an all black outfit, equally I like to start off with an all white outfit, and then you can go so many different directions. I got to feature these. These are actually older, and I don't think that this actual color and suede is available, but these are the Sam Edelman hazel pumps. I just ordered a pair of natural, like raffia, rattan looking pair from Saks. I haven't gotten them in yet. So make sure you check out the Sam Edelman shoes during the sale. This hazel pump is the best. Okay guys, thank you for being here. Thank you to Saks for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget the sale, Friends and Family, from March 20th to March 27th. And I'll be showing you what I get probably next weekend. See you then. Bye-bye.